This video will cover the topic, predictions from the line of best fit. This video will show us how to interpret a scatter plot with a given line of best fit to answer questions about it. See the example. The scatter plot shows the number of years of experience X and the hourly pay rate Y for each of 23 cashiers in Florida. Use this equation of the line of best fit, Y equals 0.94x plus 7.96, to answer the questions below. Give exact answers, not round approximations. Part A, for an increase of 1 year of experience, what is the predicted increase in the hourly pay rate? Part B, what is the predicted hourly pay rate for a cashier who doesn't have any experience? And Part C, what is the predicted hourly pay rate for a cashier with 5 years of experience?
Because it already gives me the equation of the line, does that mean that I mostly only have to use the equation to answer these questions?
Yes, the line and scatter plot is a representation of the data, but we will only need to focus on the line of best fits equation to answer these questions. For Part A, we want to find the predicted increase in hourly pay rate after 1 year. What does the slope of this graph represent?
I think that it is the increase in the hourly pay rate per year, right?
Yes, you're right, and if the slope of this line is 0.94, then that means that the hourly pay rate should increase about 94 cents every year, which is the answer to Part A. For Part B, we now want to find the predicted hourly pay rate for a cashier who has no experience, so this means we'll find the rate at 0 years. How exactly should we go about doing this?
If X is our number of years and Y is the pay rate, then can I plug in 0 for X in the equation and solve for Y?
Yes, so we will plug in 0 for X to get Y equals 0.94 times 0 plus 7.96. Therefore, Y equals 7.96, which means that the pay rate for someone who doesn't have any experience yet is $7.96 per hour. Part C is similar to Part B, except this time we will plug in a higher value for X. We want to find the hourly pay rate for someone with 5 years of experience. Based on what we already did in Part B, can you think of how we would solve this?
Yes, I think we should solve for Y when X is equal to 5.
Exactly. We'll plug in 5 for Y to get Y equals 0.94 times 5 plus 7.96. After doing the math here by multiplying 0.94 times 5 and adding 7.96, we get Y equals 12.66. Therefore, the hourly pay rate for a cashier with 5 years of experience is $12.66 per hour. And this is how predictions can be made in real-life situations using a line of best fit.